Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream rice, full guide. Start by rinsing 1 cup rice, then toast it briefly in butter, add 2 cups milk and 1 cup cream, simmer gently, stir often to prevent sticking, and finish with salt, sugar, and a splash of vanilla for balance. Keep heat low so grains release starch slowly, and rest covered 5 to 10 minutes before serving for best texture. Use gentle heat and steady stirring to coax starch out of the rice without breaking grains, and keep the lid off most of the time to monitor texture. Alternate between milk and cream as needed to control richness and thickness, tasting for seasoning along the way. If the mixture thickens too much, add a few tablespoons of milk until you reach the perfect creamy consistency preferred by your guests or family. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great to keep by your station when stirring cream rice, and it keeps drinks cold while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals listed there to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavors by adding a split vanilla bean, cinnamon stick, or lemon zest early in the cook to infuse the liquid gently. Fold in fresh berries, toasted almonds, or a spoonful of jam right before serving for delightful contrasts, or convert this into a savory side by using stock and melting in grated cheese at the end. Keep adjustments small so the rice retains its classic creamy character and balanced flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.